Hello and welcome back to the shed. So in order to replace the turn signal or the ignition, you have to first remove this trim around the steering rack, or I don't know how to call it. For me it's trim, or steering cowl, I guess. I don't know. So to do this, first you need to remove the steering wheel and airbag, and you'll be faced with this beautiful sight. And now you'll have four screws in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just get the Phillips screwdriver, as small as you can find, I guess, and just undo this. Okay, one down. Let's get the second one. And the fourth one. Okay. Now we should have T25 in here. Okay. But I guess we are already missing that one. So let's just, okay, probably I can remove the first one. Maybe not. Okay, so the upper part it's removed, and the bottom half I need to. Okay, so already done. Okay, now turn it a little bit and we should be golden. Yeah, like this. Yeah, there was nothing in here. Okay, but you should have a Torx in there. Right in here. Okay. As you can see, you have access to your ignition and the turn signals and all of that. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you next time.